Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is plants and their uses. As we have already learnt in previous chapter that plants are living things because they live and grow like us. Living things need sunlight, air, water and food to live. In the same way, plants too need all these things to survive. Now, can you see this activity? What are these children doing? They are gardening. They are gardening on the land. Different plants grow in different places, right? So, there are plants that grow on land, that grow in water and even in desert. You might be familiar with the plants that grow on land. Have you seen plants in our school? Yes. Now, plants that grow in water. Do you know, children, what are they known as? They are known as aquatic plants. See, examples are given over here. Lotus and lily. They are usually found in ponds and lake, and they are known as aquatic plant because they grow in water. Now, plants that grow in desert are known as desert plant, as desert region is very hot. So, with a very less rainfall, very few plants grow in this desert region. Now, this date palm and cactus are the example of desert region. Can you see the thick stem? Yes, and with many thorns on them. Their stem can store water and their roots spread deeply into the soil in search of water. Okay, now we are going to learn about the parts of a plant. Can you see this diagram? Root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf. Okay, now what is the main function of a root? What does a root do in a plant? Roots grow under the ground and it holds the plant firmly in the soil, and it helps the plant to stand straight. They even carry water from the ground to the other parts of the plant. Now, stem. Stem grow above the ground. Its main function is to hold branches, leaves, fruit and flowers. Okay, it also carry food and water to all the parts of a plant. Now, what do you like most about the plant is a flower. Okay, what does a flower give us? Flower gives us a sweet smell. Have you seen many flowers in your garden with different shapes and size, and even you may find different colors also? Now, do you like a fruit? I love to eat fruit. Flowers become fruit. Do you know that? Have you seen a mango tree? Yes, first it will bear a flower and then it will turn into a fruit. Now, leaf. Now, what is the main function of a leaf? Do you know, children? Leaf grows on the branches of a plant. Can you see? It is grown on the branches of a plant, and its main function is that it makes the food for the plant in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Okay, now seed. See, in this diagram we can see the seed over here. Okay, above that a new plant, a baby plant is seen. So, a seed is important for a plant to grow. First we will have a seed and then only the plant will grow. First seed, we will grow a first seed, then roots will spread, then stem, then flower and fruit and leaf will come out. Okay.